Hi, I'm Danny Wellens with ShopSabre CNC. Today we're cutting a cylindrical pedestal table using our ShopSabre IS 408 router. This is a great example how CNC technology can bring furniture production in-house and keep margins where they belong, all while putting more money in your pocket and keeping jobs here in the United States. Our industrial series is built using a welded structural steel frame with 25mm linear guide rails and industrial-grade ball screw technology on all three axes. Unique machine characteristics that sets this product far apart from the industry standards. That means accuracy across the full sheet, especially important when cutting large components that need to be assembled perfectly. For this project, we are using the ShopSabre high-flow vacuum isolating zones to match the sheet size. The ability to control hold-down by zone gives us a strong, reliable material control without clamping getting in the way. Simple, secure, repeatable. After all, you cannot cut what you cannot hold down. Tool paths are ready in VCarve Pro from a purchase vector file. So let's get the material on the table, set our zones, and let's get ready to cut. Let's put this machine to work. And there you have it, clean curves, accurate joinery, and a finished table that started as a digital file. The precision of the ShopSabre equipment ensured that all the curved ribs and joinery points all lined up exactly, making assembly quick and clean. Whether you're producing cabinetry, furniture, or custom products, a ShopSabre router gives you the capability and reliability to grow your shop with confidence. Backed by an American-made construction and industry-leading support, this is CNC automation at its best. Thank you for watching the ShopSabre project video. I'm Danny Wellens. We'll see you on the next one.